Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem without a calculator. So we have 2 to the power of 18 minus 2 squared. Now, what I'm first going to do is I'm simply going to ignore this 2 squared, and let's go ahead and focus here on 2 to the power of 18. So if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this can be written as a to the power of m times n. And this same thing actually also works vice versa. If we have something in the form a to the power of m times n, this can be written as a to the power of m to the power of n. So as you can see here, we have 2 to the power of 18, and 18, this can be written as 9 times 2, right? So now we have 2 to the power of 9 times 2 minus 2 squared. Now 9 times 2, remember a to the power of m times n, this can be written as a to the power of m to the power of n. So 2 to the power of 9 times 2, this can be written as 2 to the power of 9 to the power of 2. Now minus 2 squared. Now 2 to the power of 9 squared is the same thing as 2 to the power of 9 times 2 to the power of 9. Now minus 2 squared. And 2 to the power of 9 is 512. You guys should know that because you guys should know your powers of 2. So now we have 512 times 512 minus 2 squared. Now 512 times 512 is 262,144. And we have minus 2 squared is the same thing as 4. And this is equal to 262,144 minus 4 is simply 262,140. So this is our answer. Welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 9 to the power of x equals 18. So what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the log of both sides. So now we have log 9 to the power of x equals log 18. So if we have something in the form log a to the power of x, this is known as a power property, and what it means is that we could actually move this exponent in front of the log, meaning this would also equal x log a. So I'm actually going to change log 9 to the power of x into x log 9. And this is equal to log 18. Now if I divide both sides by log 9, these two cancel out, and I would get x is equal to log 18 over log 9 is the same thing as log 9 times 2 over log 9. And now if I distribute the log to both of these terms into parentheses, we get x is equal to log 9 times log 2. And we are still dividing this by log 9. And sorry, this is actually a plus. So now this is equal to log 9 over log 9 plus log 2 over log 9. Now these two cancel out, so we get x is equal to 1 plus log 2 over log, and I'm actually going to replace the 9 with 3 squared. Now remember, we're going to use the same property that we used over here, and I'm going to move the 2 to the front. So I'm actually going to move it right over here. So if you plug in log 2 into the calculator, log 2 is actually equal to approximately 0.301. And log 3 is equal to 0.4771. So now if I plug in these numbers, we would get 1 plus log 2 is 0.301 over 2 times log 3. Well, that would be 0.9542. Now, if you divide these two, you'd get x is equal to 1 plus 0.3154, and 1 plus this would be 1.3154. So this is our answer.